Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did some chrome nails for a winter scene look with these little trees and snow on everything. So keep watching for the tutorial. So I started off with Madame Glam's gel polish in the shade Perfect Black. So that'll be a base for my chrome, as most chromes look best over a black polish. So this is the third coat of this black color. And then obviously I cleaned up as I went along so I don't have cured polish all over my skin. And then once that was applied, I cured it for 30 seconds in my LED nail lamp. Next, I'm using Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Gel because that works best with chrome. So I applied it over all of my nails, trying to leave a smooth finish, as chrome will show any imperfections in the top layer of the nail. So try and make it as smooth as possible. And then I cured it for only 15 seconds so the chrome will last better and adhere better. That's a little trick that I've learned. So 15 instead of 30. And then I'm using this Mitty Aquamarine chrome. And I'm putting some latex on first so the chrome doesn't stick to my skin as much, because it will stick to the tacky layer left from a gel that I've cleaned up. And then I'm applying it with the Twinkle Tea silicone tool. So you just pick some up and buff some into the top, as you can see here. It's pretty easy. And the Mitty chromes here, they're like $13 a piece, and they're really like chromy. Like if you look at them, you can really see a nice metallic reflection. So I think those are great. And there's a lot of colors too, so these are the super chromes. And then I removed the latex once everything was applied and used a fan brush to dust the chrome away from the nail and the sides of my skin. And next I applied another layer of the No Wipe top coat on top of it. And you can see the top coat doesn't sparkle the chrome, it still looks nice and very metallic and shiny. And then for this top coat, you do cure for an entire 30 seconds. You want to make sure to cap everything good so the chrome doesn't wash away. And then next, once that was cured, I'm using Madame Glam Perfect White, as well as FingerPaints Monet Money, mixed half and half with some base gel to create a gel color. So I started off with the green to make these little trees. And I should have used a lighter color, but I didn't realize that until I was already done, so I wasn't about to go back and switch it. And then I'm using this Mitty Peachy detail brush, and I really like their detail brushes, by the way. They're nice and thin, which is perfect to work with. So I just made some trees, about 2 on each of my nails, and then I made like a white kind of snowbank at the base of each nail. And then I put some snow on the tree, so I did 3 little layers on each tree. Just easy, simple back and forth motions. And then I added little dots on all of my nails to look like little snowflakes. Kind of complete the whole look. So once all that white was cured, I went in with Madame Glam's top gel, because I like to finish with a coat of regular top coat. I think it helps the nails last longer. You want to make sure to cover everything once again, because if you miss a spot, the chrome will wash off of that area. And once that was cured, that's it for this nail art look. So here is the final result for these winter scene chrome nails. And you can kind of see here the blue shift and the purple at the top here. So you can see those colors there. And my thumbs. And then that's it for this week's nail art look. I will leave product links in the description down below if you want to check them out. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!